Test, test, test. And this is a terrain making test. Hey there people, hope you're all doing good. This video is about painting and flocking a gaming table. This one is 22 to 30 inch, which is ideal for small skirmish games. This table should fit my Lostria jungle terrain. I was going for a flat and even surface that allows me to place terrain bases in multiple ways. There's a PDF on Patreon about the building and the model making process. So let's go. I mix about 30% wood glue into the base coat. That makes it a solid compound to seal the surface. And a bit of ultra matte acrylic medium to make the paint less shiny. I use brownish ochre to match the Lostria paint scheme. Stones get primed in dark gray. Everything gets washed with raw umber. Time to flock the table. This is a mix from wood glue, water, fine turf and green paint. Sprinkled with more fine turf. Let it dry for a few hours before you continue. Clean up excess turf and put it back into your turf container. Save your materials. Gently brushing on thinned wood glue. And sprinkle it with more fine turf. That technique creates a very solid layer of fine turf blend. Washing the stone with a matte black. And dry brushing the darkened soil areas with the base color, which is brownish ochre. Texturing the foam elements before they get highlights. Dry brushing them with brighter shades of gray. And sandy beige. A wash of dark ochre. And olive green. The frame gets a little bit of black paint too. Done. This table is ready for gaming. But what comes next? I'm planning to add a few more special terrain bases to this jungle table. Last cannon emplacement, pyramids, skull cave or a shield generator for my orcs. That are a few ideas I have in mind. And guess what? I cannot wait to make it happen. If you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. If you want to keep this terrain train rolling, check out the links in the description below. Follow on Instagram, like on Facebook, or become a patron. Link, like and share. To remind, we release a beautiful layouted monthly PDF tutorial on Patreon. And there's a list on tabletopterrainlenny.com where I recommend tools and materials for terrain modeling. And if you have any questions or critics, drop a comment. Thank you and keep on making terrain.